guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing another makeup tutorial. So this makeup tutorial is, I'm going to call it like Into Nature, I think. But I'm using this palette from e.l.f. and it's called Rio de Janeiro, I think. I probably just butchered that. I don't know how to say it. But if I can open it, I'll show you. There we go. This is what it looks like. I have to hold the bottom because there's a mirror there. But it's like, these colors just remind me of nature and they're really pretty. And I really want to use them. So, I haven't tried this palette yet. I think I've only tried one shade, which I used it one day on my brow bone. I think that's it. But yeah, so I guess we'll get started. So I'm going to start with this first color right here. And I'm going to put it all over my lid. Just like that. Do the same on the other eye. These shadows are really pigmented. I'm going to get my mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing up close. See if I need to add any more. They do have some fallout though, but it's not too much. So then I'm going to take this shade right here. Try not to blind you. And I'm going to put it on kind of outer half, which this is just a little bit darker than the other one. It's just a really pretty cream color. I almost said like shaller. I don't know why. So just like that. And then I'm going to get this blending brush. I don't know what brand it is. It doesn't have a thing on it. The brush I was using before was from the Urban Decay Naked 3 brushes. So then I'm going to take this crease shade right here, which is kind of like an olive green, I'm going to describe it as. I'm just going to work this into the crease. All the way over to the inner corner. Like that. I'm sorry, my refrigerator's running, if you can hear that in the background, and I think it just turned itself off. And I'm kind of just blending this like in my natural shape. I'm not really doing like a cut crease or a wing or anything. And then I'm going to take this last color, which is this dark green. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. That one too dirty? No. I think this is a lip brush. I'm just going to take a little bit of that. This is actually what I'm using as eyeliner today. Like that. So that's the finished eyeshadow. I'm not taking any under my eye. And then I'm just going to take this e.l.f. Lengthening and Defying Mascara. Put it on my lashes. I'm not really putting that much on because I have to remove it right after because I'm filming another makeup tutorial after this. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I really like how the liner turned out. I really like that. That's my favorite part. Because I didn't want to apply it in the crease because I figured that would be too much. But I really like how I just used that as a wing, kind of. But yeah. Oh, I didn't do my lips. I'm using this Me Now Generation 2 True Lips Lip Liner in the color 053. My lips are really chapped, I just realized that. So just like that. Hush, little bird. I'll feed you in a minute. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild lipstick in the color A Short Affair and just putting it right over top. And now this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every single day. All my links are below if you want to follow me on anything. Below. I said below. I don't know what I said. I slurred it. But if there's any other video suggestions you guys have or any other products you would like me to try or anything like that, you can leave those in the comments below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!